Have you heard this song? I know this sounds crazy, but you can professionally mix your vocals like J Balvin at home using only Waves plugins.
You got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping. Yeah, fuck all the artists, I drink lean cause I can afford it.
I'm Yek, and I'm going to help you replicate his vocal chain exactly as Mosty, his mixing engineer, revealed in a tutorial. In the end, I'll showcase his classic de-esser technique. You can also access the precisely replicated J Balvin's vocal mixing template via the link in the description. As you may know, in this song, the auto-tune effect plays a big role in adding character to J Balvin's vocals. He used Antares Auto-Tune EFX3 with the displayed settings, but I'm gonna use Auto-Tune Artist instead. Set the key and then set the retune speed to 5. If you want that digital auto-tune flair, you need a fast retune speed. At the end of the video, I reveal The Weeknd, Sam Smith, and Justin Bieber's auto-tune settings, load an instance of Waves Q10 EQ, and roll off everything below 100 Hz with a little boost at 2K. Removing below 100 Hz will remove any unwanted noises like footsteps or low frequency noises. You can do it with any other EQ.
You got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping.
Then load an instance of Rvox. We aim for 6 to 10 decibels of gain reduction.
And then one of the most slept on plugins ever is the Rvox.
Simply pull the slider down and get in your face vocals. It's an incredibly easy to use vocal compressor that provides compression, gating, and limiting.
You got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping.
What Waves has told us is that it used some technology that Waves had created for the cell phone industry and applied that in an easy to use compressor settings. The third plugin would be CLA76 with the displayed settings. It's called Dr. Pepper settings, which I explained in a pinned video. Basically, you need medium attack time with nearly fast release. We aim for 2 or 3 decibels of gain reduction to tame the peaks. We want the fat compressor color from it.
You got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping.
By the way, the attack and release time works backward in this compressor. Check out the previous video for more information. Now load an instance of Waves SSL EV2 channel with the displayed settings. I saw many top mixing engineers like Josh Godwin use this plugin to bring the vocal to the front.
And my default is with the compressor in, doing very light compression, barely hearing it, and it just kind of lifts up the signal a little bit.
We aim for a maximum of 3 decibels of gain reduction.
We got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping.
There's a fact about this attack button located here. When the attack time is set to slow, the attack is auto-sensing and program dependent. When you turn the fast settings on, the attack would be 1 millisecond. So leave it off. By the way, you can download Josh Godwin's settings for SSL EV2 channel via the link in the description. He used it on Dua Lipa, Justin Bieber, and many other top artists' vocals. Next plugin is Waves Rcompressor. Set the attack to 245 and release to 33. Also set the ratio around 4. We aim for a maximum of 2 decibels of gain reduction.
We got the shit while you penny pinching, pants tight like I'm skin dipping. Yeah.
Remember, these settings have to be adjusted accordingly. Just grasp the idea. For example, you don't need to set the release time to 245 precisely. Just keep in mind that if you have to set a slow release, it might be 200 or 300 based on your vocal character. As you can see, he used 4 different compressors, each one doing something different. Rvox to achieve in-your-face vocals, 1176 for adding color, SSL EV2 channel to bring the vocal up front, and Rcompressor to catch remaining peaks. This is a clever way to compress the vocals. Compare it to using only one compressor with 8 decibels of gain reduction. Which one sounds more professional? Let me know your thoughts in comment section. Now let's add an EQ. Load any EQ plugin and dip 320 Hz for 3 decibels and boost 16K for 3 decibels to open up the vocals. Basically, if you are recording in an untreated room, you need to be careful about your vocals midrange. You may experience the unwanted boost there that needs to be controlled. Now, load Scheps 73 plugin. A colorful EQ with mic preamp modeled from the classic 1073 console.
So I probably use it on kick and snare almost all the time. Sometimes I'll use it on vocal just for the shelf.
Just low cut to 80. deep 7K for 4 decibels, and boost 12K and above for 1.5 decibels.
We count the shit while you penny pinching. Pants tight like I'm skinning dipping.
Remember, these settings worked specifically on this track, so adjust them accordingly. Next, open an instance of Waves API 550B and deep 180 Hz for 2 decibels. We're almost finished.
We count the shit while you penny pinching. Pants tight like I'm skinning dipping. Yeah.
Lastly, the de-esser. Basically, in most cases, a de-esser is a compressor that is sensitive to a certain frequency range. Load an instance of Waves C1 compressor sidechain. This compressor gives you an amazing control over the taming the sibilances or the certain frequency ranges, from attack to release to ratio and other options. Set it to display settings and adjust the frequency range from here. The sibilances may live in different frequency ranges, so adjust accordingly. Now let's jump to the sound effects. In this case, mostly took a minimal approach. Unlike some other engineers like Baines or Elangelo, who use 11 different effects on the vocals, we have only 3 sound effects in this project. Open a new bus and load Waves Abbey Road plate with the displayed settings. The point here is to set pre-delay to 0, avoiding vocals sounding too much upfront. While you set it to 0, it covers the vocal and would be more surrounded by reverb. Plate Reverbs has a diffused, bright, idealized sound quality that's unlike acoustic spaces. They give vocals and instruments a bright, present reverb quality. While he used UAD EMT 140 with the displayed settings, I alternatively use Abbey Road plates. This is our reverb bus. Second, load an instance of Waves SuperTab 2 with the displayed settings. It would work as a delay for you.
Tight like I'm skinning dipping. Yeah, fuck all the artists, I drink lean.
Third, open an instance of Waves H delay with the displayed settings, followed by CLA 2A compressor with a couple of dBs of gain reduction to achieve a smooth signal. Then put Waves doubler to sound more stereo.
We count the shit while you penny pinching. Pants tight like I'm skinning dipping.
And now here are the featured autotune settings. Let me know if you have any questions.